If you want to insert SIM card into Realme 14T, you need to prepare the eject tool that you can find inside the box. Mine looks a little bit different, but it works anyway. Now over here at the bottom of the phone, you should be able to find the SIM tray, which is over here. And also right next to the SIM tray, we have this little hole. This is the SIM tray hole. And we need to insert our eject tool into this hole. And remember to put it into this hole, not this one, because this one over here is the microphone. So this hole between the SIM tray and the charging port is the microphone. So put into this one and use a little bit of force in order to pop the SIM tray out, and then use your fingernails in order to completely remove the SIM tray out of the phone. And then over here, of course, we have our SIM slot. This is number 1, for SIM number 1. On the reverse side, we also have for SIM number 2, which is hybrid and shares the slot with the SD card. Now over here, let me just insert the SIM card. I'm gonna show you for both SIMs how to do this. We need to simply match the shape of the slot. So in this case, it is like this. It should go all the way in. It should not stick out at all. And then let's take a look at the reverse side. It has a slightly different position than the SIM 1. And this is how it should go in. Let me try to, there we go. It goes in really easily. This is how it looks like. This is SIM 2, and here we have SIM 1. So now we're gonna put the SIM tray back into the phone. And SIM 1 is the face, this is the face upside. So just put it like this, put it in and push with your finger and make sure that it goes all the way in, it doesn't stick out or anything. If it does, then just make sure that your SIM cards are inserted properly. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!